What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about lock access to BDO online account. So when we say lock access guys, is kapag yung PIN natin or yung password is na-enter natin for so many times na lahat yon is mali. So yung mangyayari sa katigalan is malalock yung access natin sa BDO online banking. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin yung steps kung paano ma-resolve or paano masaayos ang lock access natin sa BDO online banking. Yun yung pag-uusapan natin sa vlog na ito. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, if your BDO online banking account is locked, usually from too many wrong login attempts, tulad ng sabi ko, you can often unlock it yourself by using the need help logging in. So kung makikita nyo guys sa BDO online application, sa BDO online banking, kumbaga, may nakalagay doon is need help logging in. So i-click mo yun of course. Or forgot password option on the BDO online app or website. Kahit sa website guys, kung wala kayong online banking application, so kapag doon kayo naglalagin lagi sa BDO online website, sa official website ni BDO, meron din yung option doon na need help logging in or yung forgot password. Entering your details and verifying with an OTP. So nandito ulit tayo sa OTP guys. Kailangan nyo malaman na yung OTP, which means yung OTP is ipapadala doon sa registered mobile number. Kaya naman dapat aware kayo na yung mobile number na ginamit nyo doon sa bank account niyo sa BDO is dapat na-access ninyo para ma-verify yung identity ninyo or yung transaction ninyo sa BDO online, resetting your password. Then, for business accounts, there's a specific unlock ID. So, para sa mga business account, guys, is may sarili siyang unlock ID link. So, while for server issues or if self-service fails, call the BDO hotline at 632-8888-000 for immediate assistance. So, iba kasi yung regular savings account lang at sa business account ni BDO. Kasi when it comes to business accounts, may sarili siyang exclusive link para ma-unlock yung yung lock access ninyo sa BDO online banking. So ngayon nandito yung steps on how to perform self-service. Kumbaga paano nyo ma-resolve yung issue na yon para sa mga personal accounts ito. For BDO online personal, use the app website. Use the app or website on the BDO online application or app or website login page. Tap or click need help logging in. So, kailangan hanapin guys, mapa-website man yan, mapa-online banking application, hanapin yung need help logging in. Question mark siya since nangangailangan kayo ng tulong. Then, pangalawa is reset password. Select, I'd like to reset my password. Kung password nyo yung nakalimutan nyo. Pero kung username, so I'd like to reset my username, of course. Verify your username and the last 4 digits of your account or card, then input the one-time PIN OTP sent to your registered mobile number. So, OTP na naman, guys. So, ito guys, pangalawang step, like nakapili na kayo kung yung i-reset nyo ba is yung username or yung password. Kapag password yung nakalimutan nyo, of course, yung i-click nyo is yung I'd like to reset my password. Ngayon, kung username yung nakalimutan nyo, I'd like to reset my username. Yung i-click nyo doon. Then, yun nga, verify your identity. Halimbawa, yung username nyo yung nakalimutan, of course, yung password yung ilalagay nyo. Kung yung password naman yung nakalimutan, yung username yung i-verify nyo. At saka, kailangan yung last 4 digits ng account number ninyo sa BDO. Then, of course, hindi lang matatapos doon. May further verification pa yon, which is via mobile number. So, yun nga, ulit-ulit, make sure na yung mobile number na nakalink doon sa savings account nyo or any account nyo sa BDO is active siya at makaka-receive ng text message, which is yung one-time PIN. Pang-apat is set new password. So, it's now the time kung password yung nakalimutan nyo, set nyo yung password, panibagong password. Kung username, panibagong username yung inonominate ninyo. Create a new password to complete the process. Then after that, nakapag-nominate na kayo ng new password. So, i-click nyo lang yung submit. Pagka-submit, nabibigyan kayo ng reference number, your login details, your password has been changed. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Then ngayon, let's move on to BDO Business Online Banking Account or BOB. Use the Unlock ID link on the BOB login page. Find and click the Unlock ID button. So, since kayo ay business account, parang ibang level ng savings account nyo sa BDO, may sarili kayong Unlock ID link, which is yun yung kailangan nyo i-click. Then, provide the details. Enter your organization ID, login ID, mobile number, and email, ensuring they match your registered info. Ensuring they match your registered info. Kasi nung nag-open pa lang kayo ng business account sa BDO, hihinga na kayo ng mobile number, yung email, at saka yung organization ID, po-provide yun. So, lahat yun dapat accurate kung ano yung meron kayo doon sa business account ninyo sa BDO. Dapat, pag nag-reset kayo ng online banking niyo, kapag nalock yung access, kailangan accurate yun lahat. Then, pangatlo is verify OTP o OTP na naman tayo. Enter the OTP received via email or mobile to confirm. So, you have the options kung via mobile number or via email. Make sure lang talaga guys na halimbawa yung email address nyo is hindi nyo na ma-access, nakalimutan nyo yung password, ganyan. Make sure na i-update niyo yung account ninyo. At saka yung mobile number as well. Halimbawa, nawala yung SIM card na yun, then nagbago kayo ng SIM card. Make sure to update your BDO bank accounts details, especially yung mobile number. Kasi dyan talaga lahat dadaan yung transaction to verify your identity. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo alam paano, tumawag kayo sa BDO Customer Service para magpa-change ng details or magpa-update. Then, if you need more help, call BDO, contact the BDO 24/7 hotline at 632-8888-0000 or number sign 8888-000 from PLDT or Globe lines. For login issues, fraud concerns, or self-service doesn't work. So, it's time to contact them guys kung hindi nyo talaga ma-access. Since nakalock talaga siya, para ma-unlock, you have to contact the BDO customer service kung hindi talaga kinaya ng powers nyo. So, it's time to ask for assistance or further assistance from their representative. Kasi mas nakakaalam sila kung hindi nyo talaga ma-access yung nakalock yung access sa BDO online account. Ganun yung best way to resolve your concern talaga guys. Then, ito, check for inactivity. Other issues in the app says inactive. You might need to visit a branch or use BDO ATM for interrupted transactions. Check your balance and email confirmation first. So, since ito ay bago na, kung nagka-problema, nagkaroon ng inactive na note, so make sure to visit branch kasi kailangan niya ng activation ulit. Ganon yun, guys. Kaya, dapat maging aware kayo when it comes to your BDO bank accounts na ganon nga, kapag hindi nyo talaga kaya, make sure na manghingi kayo ng tulong direct to the bank. Tumawag kayo sa official hotline number nila, which is yung 498-440. Kasi they're just the one who will able to resolve your concerns since they know better than us, since sila yung ma-access sa lahat ng details na meron tayo sa kanila. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!